Welcome everybody. I am finally making a comeback on my YouTube channel. I've been away for quite a while. The fact is I actually started a new job teaching at Florida International University in the Department of Religious Studies, so was kind of busy with stuff related to that and many other things. I was obviously moving and stuff like that. I can't do anything about this stupid dog barking in the background, so sorry about that, but so we'll be resuming uploading videos. I've got some more stuff going on The Reign of Quantity by René Guénon. We'll be working on that. I've been also thinking for quite some time to make a series of videos, not too many, but on the Metaphysics of War by Julius Evola. And also in that, on that theme, the question of weapons and sacred weapons. So I recently started training once again in earnest. Back in the day I was very much involved in martial arts, karate-do, shitoryu karate-do, kendo, aikido, and I've gotten back into various kinds of fitness and weapons training. And so we're going to begin today by opening this fantastic medieval reconstructed mace, which I got from Badland Outfitters, handmade by a guy named Wes. I don't know his full name, but he's the guy who runs Badland Outfitters, and he's associated with Mark Wildman of Wildman Athletica. So today we're going to be opening this with a CRKT M16 knife. This is very heavy. I'm not even sure this is going to even help us open this, but we'll try. We can. Oh, it's stapled in. Look at this. It's stapled in good. So if we can get these staples out, we should be able to just get the mace to pop right out. Yeah. So apparently this mace was modeled. I said it was medieval, but I think it also has some design elements based on the ancient mace depicted in the bas reliefs from ancient Assyria and Babylon found in the British Museum, which Mark Wildman mentioned in one of his videos. So here we go. There we are. What a beautiful weapon. If you look at this, now this is where we need a knife. Cut around. So I was recently there in LA training with Mark Wildman. First off the production line. First off the production line. All right, so this is our mace. This is a fantastic weapon. You can maybe come and film it over here to get some contrast. Got the paperwork. So this is your traditional mace. This is about 14 pounds. And basically you just twirl it around, man. This knife is gonna get in the way. Oh, imagine if you get hit one of these. This is gonna hurt. So yes, that's our traditional mace. All of these movements are also very close to what you would do with a sword. But anyhow, so we will have something to say about the importance of sacred weapons, how something like the mace was associated with the sacred king, a symbol like a scepter of kingly authority, virility, and heroic manliness. heroic masculinity, I should say. On that note, stay tuned. Thank you.